EVO Custom Car presents premium connected car solutions for European cars. These upgrades come with Google Maps inbuilt. Make the drive safer with Apple Carplay and Android Auto connectivity. Front and reverse parking cameras with backup grid lines. Install your own music apps. All straight-fit parts that do not affect car warranty. Lossless music formats for a pristine music experience. Bluetooth phone calls and music streaming. Wi-Fi internet connectivity and a high-resolution capacitive touchscreen. It also reads high-resolution video formats from video apps like YouTube. Install apps of your choice using Google Play Store and much more. Give us a call or visit us at evoretrofits.in or evo-blr.com to learn more.